Welcome to Outlaw Edge. So today's tool is why won't this focus? Come on. Oh, there you go. There's the number. The number's kind of screwed up on it. But this is Eastwood Screwbuster, and this is sent to us by Edge of Eternity, Bill Cameron. Thanks, brother. And Hollywood's been using this.
I put my name on it already, so.
Typical. So
I've been trying to get these bolts out. I quit messing with it a couple weeks ago. I had to drill the other bolts out. We didn't have this yet. So,
no, you just didn't know it was in here.
yeah, that's what I said. We didn't have it yet. But I've been trying to get these bolts out for how long, and I could never do it, so. I told me we had one of these and came in here this morning to try it out. And lo and behold, this thing pulls them right out, man. They're loose right now. But,
It's gonna be loud.
you got a handle on it. So when you go in here, watch your ears. Yeah. You go in here, the air hammer. Like butter. This thing is awesome, man.
See that thing? That is a cool setup right there. And it comes with 2 more bits other than this one. That is a trick setup. You just throw it in your air chisel and tear them up.
Oh yeah.
Especially on these older cars. I mean,
Man.
you know how you get these bolts, like the other side we had to cut off.
Like you've been saying, it's real metal. So
Yeah.
I gotta drill through them, and it took me, hour and a half just to get through 3 bolts. But
Yeah, but it takes you an hour and a half to go to lunch.
shut up, bitch.
What do you think of it though?
I like it, man. Saved my ass, so I didn't have to cut them off. I mean, it breaks loose, man. This last one's been giving me problems, but I'm gonna cut that one off. It broke it loose, but it's locked inside. So
I wonder if you tighten it back up, if it would,
yeah.
And that only goes one way, right? I mean, it's,
No.
so just whatever way you're turning the handle
Yeah.
is what it'll do, right?
Yep. As long as it's spinning there, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's a lifesaver though. I mean, this is a 1947 Ford. The doors have never been off, obviously.
Right.
But it took them right off, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But anyways, thanks Bill Cameron and thanks Eastwood. Hopefully they'll sponsor us and send us millions of tools,
Yes. Oh, yeah.
fill our whole shop up,
Yeah.
if they're listening. Anyways, thanks for watching.
Yes, sir.